Good evening, everybody. A very good evening to all of you, bachcho. We are live, and I have brought a very great opportunity for you guys. That is the recruitment in HPCL without a GATE score. So, guys, if your GATE exam didn't go well, you are not very positive about the results of the GATE exam. Here comes another opportunity. Yes. This opportunity is without the GATE examination, and my dear friends, though the vacancies might not be too much, but at least it is an opportunity for you all to try, and at least some of you can get jobs in HPCL. So HPCL stands for Hindustan Petroleum Limited Corporation Limited. So let's discuss about this in detail, but before doing that, let me introduce myself. My name is Ankit Goyal. I got AIR1 twice in GATE in 2014 and 2018. I was awarded President of India Gold Medal in the year 2013 when I graduated from IIT Indore. Till date, I have trained more than 1 lakh students in the online and the offline classes, and presently working as a director at an academy for GATE department. You all know this about me, but what matters the most is that behind all these free initiatives, there lies one common reason, and that reason, that mission is Unacademy. Unacademy is a revolution in the field of online education, which has empowered each and every student in this country to get quality education from the top educators of the country without paying even a single rupee through the YouTube channel and the Unacademy Learning app. So guys, for accessing our free initiatives, you need to download the Unacademy Learning app from App Store and Play Store, and then click on any free initiative. You can access it by using simply the code AnkitESE. So now let's move on to the advertisement, job advertisement that we have seen. So here it is. Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited is a Maharatna Central PSU. Okay. So now, what about the vacancies? This is about the company, no need to read about this in detail. The applications have started from 3rd of March, my dear friends, and the last date of applying is 15th of April. That is, you have almost 1.5 months to apply for this job, and I suggest don't wait, apply immediately. What are the vacancies? The vacancies are maximum for mechanical engineers, that is 120. For civil, it is 30. Okay. And read the maximum age as well. It is 25, guys. The maximum age is 25. For electrical, the vacancies are 25, and for instrumentation also it is 25. For IN, the qualification should be from IN, instrumentation control, or electronics and instrumentation. These are the branches eligible for IN. Okay, don't think that electrical or simply EC engineers can apply for the IN post. For IN, you must have graduation with IN. Okay, for electrical, you can apply with EE or EEE branches. That is 25 vacancies are there. Okay, now what is the vacancy distribution? SC distribution is 20, ST is 18, OBC is 49, EWS 20, and unreserved is 93. Okay. What is the qualification detail? You must have 4-year full-time engineering degree. 4-year full-time engineering degree from AICTE approved or UGC recognized university with minimum 60% marks. Remember this, 60% marks are a minimum. Okay. Student in final year are also eligible to apply. That is the great news, that if you are studying in final year right now, you can also apply, subjected that you will provisionally submit the documents at the time of interview. Okay, later on when they are interviewing you after the written exam, you need to have the documents ready. Okay. Now, what is the selection procedure? The first stage will be a computer-based test, a CBT, just like GATE, computer-based test. It will have 2 sections just like GATE exam. One will be aptitude and the second will be the technical knowledge. So guys, if you have prepared for the GATE exam, you don't need to have any additional knowledge whatsoever. The same knowledge will be sufficient for HPCL as well. Okay. So if you have the knowledge up to GATE exam, just attempt 1 or 2 mock tests before going for this HPCL recruitment, and I believe you will be able to do well. Okay. Then the computer based test carries a weightage 85%. Then group task 5%. What is group task? Basically, they will divide you in groups, okay, like a group of 10 people, 20 people, and they will give you a task. Suppose in my case, when I went to IOCL, they gave me a task that we need to arrange 10 points for a company, for a corporate, in order of their importance, like which is the most important point and which is the least important point. So there we have to discuss amongst ourselves. We don't have to debate. Remember, we have to discuss, put forward our opinion, and then complete the task as a team. So that shows how much you can work as a team, but it is not major. It is only 5%. Rest of the 10% are personal interview, in which they will be asking you about the company. They will be asking you about your graduation. So make sure that you remember the major project well, make sure that you remember the internship well, and make sure you have basic idea about your technical subjects. So they'll ask you, why do you want to join HPCL? You can tell about the company profile, its ongoing projects, and so on. And when they come to the technical section, then definitely technical knowledge would be needed, majorly in your most important subjects as per your branch. Okay. Final scoring, minimum qualifying marks for unreserved categories 60% and 54% for the SC, ST and OBC. The pay scale, my dear students, pay scale, see the pay scale, very good. 50,000 up to 1.6 lakhs, and the CTC is approximately 15.17 lakh. But remember, don't divide this CTC by 12 and calculate the enhanced salary. No, my friend. It contains a lot of variables like DA, HRA, cafeteria, everything is there. So enhanced salary is always less than that. Okay. Pre-employment medical exam. Before they give you a final offer, you have to undergo a medical exam. That happens in all the government jobs. And the posting will be in any division, department of the corporation at any place. Okay, they can post you at any place based on the company requirement. Probation. You will have 1 year of probation, and if you complete successfully that probation period, you will be appointed as an officer in HPCL. That means 1 year you will be undergoing training. You might have to shift your location from one place to the other, and during this 1 year they will deduct 5,000 per month for the first 6 months as a retention amount. And if you complete your probation period, they'll refund that amount. So that is a kind of security that you are giving to the company, that you are not going to leave them midway. Okay, not much, 5,000 they are deducting. They are not asking any amount from you, rather what they are giving to you, they are deducting from that. Okay. So reservations, we have seen how the positions are reserved. Okay, application process. Applications have started from 1200 hours from 3rd of March till 15th of April. You have to go to this link, jobs.hpcl.co.in/recruit_new. You will find this PDF in the description of this video. So you can just download the PDF, click on it, and then go to the website. Okay. All the details given in the online form will be treated as final. No changes will be entertained. That means, my dear, you can't just call HPCL, I have made a mistake in the application, please correct it. No. That is not going to happen. So make sure that you fill all the details correctly in the first attempt itself. Okay. Mistake is not allowed. The application fees is applicable to all engineering position. Application fees is 1000 plus 18% GST. That means 1180. Payment mode is debit card, credit card, UPI, net banking, simple. Okay. Only Indian nationals are eligible to apply. Okay. So rest of the points are very, very trivial, nothing major in that. And my dear friend, read this. If you give any wrong information, you will be disqualified, and HPCL will not be responsible for any of it. Okay. So guys, your applications are not asking you for any documentary evidence. So make sure you are filling in the right information, because the information that you have filled, if that does not match your documents later on, you will be disqualified even if you have cleared the exam. So make sure you don't do that. Please be very careful by filling the application form. This is a major thing, okay? Because GATE allows you to send a mail or to call them and change your details, but not every other body does that. So HPCL is not allowing you to change any information. Whatever you have entered will be treated as the final information. So that is all about HPCL, my dear friends. Okay, so what I would like to tell you, dear students, this is the link of my special classes. You can read a few topics from here. I have dealt with some of the most important topics and there are multiple question series here. So if you need any help with preparing for HPCL, do go for this link and prepare for HPCL as well. Okay, and this link contains all the lectures of this channel, so you'll find all the syllabus related to the GATE and ESE on this single link, where you will find the PDF notes as well, and these PDF notes will help you prepare for this examination. Other than that, you can also join Unacademy, where you get top educators on a single platform taking comprehensive and crash courses. And not only that, you also get what? You get daily assignment, weekly quiz, test series and question bank. And if you ever face any doubt, your doubt will also be solved. In one subscription, you get access to all the batches, 1 year, 2 year, 3 year foundation, placement, interview, PSU, AE. And if you still want to go further, go for Iconic, where with all these benefits, you'll have a personal coach that will guide you related to your preparation, get you your study planner, teachers will take motivational sessions, and your test analysis will be done separately, highlighting your strengths and weakness. You will also get extra study material comprising of the theory and the question bank, and a dedicated team which will immediately solve your doubts. So you can use the code Ankit ESE to join Unacademy so that you get an immediate 10% discount. Okay. So this code is applicable on both the products Plus as well as Iconic. And my dear friends, why you should not just stick to YouTube lectures? Because they don't have two-way communication. They are just recorded comprehensive and crash courses. But with Unacademy, you get such a growth environment where you get so many competitors that you will definitely excel against the competition. You will get so much attention from the faculty. You are bound to grow. Okay. And we have just started a new batch from 1st of March for GATE 2022. Do join that batch using the code Ankit ESE, and I'll be starting analog electronics on Plus from 17th of March in the same batch. If you wish to know the batch details, just visit this link. I'm writing it here, tinyurl.com/ESE batches. So here you will find the link to all the batches that have been launched or that are going to come very soon, and you can check out the batch, you can join it, and from 17th I'll be starting analog. With Ankit ESE code, your 1 year fees will become 27,225, 18 months 34,650, 2 year 39,600. Make sure that you go for 2 year. Per month cost is minimum, and you can avail it on EMI without paying any interest. Okay. And for Iconic, 1 year fees will become 45,225, 2 year 66,600. Make sure you go for 2 year to crack multiple exams. And this is my Unacademy profile. After downloading the Unacademy app, make sure to follow me and send me a personal message here. So thank you everybody. I hope you liked it and you give it your best shot for the preparation of HPCL, because it's an opportunity and no opportunity shall go missed. So whatever the knowledge you have gathered through the GATE exam, the same knowledge will come in handy. And please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment behind whether or not you are preparing for HPCL. See you guys. Thank you.